Hey guys, welcome to Jabe Creative. My name is Abe. Today I'm going to be showing how to play the chords for the song Breathe by Dunsin Oyekan. If you're new to this channel, welcome, and let's get straight into it. So the song is in the key of B, and I've put my capo on the 4th fret to help us play it in open G. First, we're going to start with the verse chords, and we start with the G. Da 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 da, da da da, to the C, back to the G. Then E minor, to the C, back to the G. And we do that a couple of times rounds. Then when we get to the end of the first chords, you go to the D to finish up. So I'll show you that. So da 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 da, da 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 da, da 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 da, da 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 da. Da 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 da, da 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 da. Then to the D. Just breathe your name upon me, breathe. So in terms of the time for the chords, the first chord, the G, is a full bar, 3, 4. Then the C is 1, 2, 3, 4. Then back to G, 2, 3, and you hold it for another bar, G, 2, 3, to the A minor, 2, 3. 4 to the 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and hold that G, 2, 3, 4. An embellishment that's also within the verse is that somewhere in between it also goes from the D to the A minor as an added chord to the added D. So I'll show you that part. So da 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 da, G to the C, la la da da da. 3, 4, and 1, 2 to the D in E minor, to the C, to G. Then we go to the D, and we go to. Now I'll show you the chorus. The chorus starts in the same way. Start on the G. We start on the G. Go to the D, E minor, to the C, to the A minor, back to the G. So for the chorus chords, the timing of those chords are the G is for 2 bars, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 to the D for 1 bar, 1, 2, 3, E minor for 1 bar, C for 1 bar, 1, 2, A minor for 1 bar, back to the G, and it's 2 bars. Back to the start of the chorus, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. 2, 3, 4. So now I'll just do a full run through, tying the verses to the chorus, and you'll see how that goes. Da 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 da, da 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 da, da 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 da. Da da for the bridge as well, the chords are the same as the chorus chords, so you'd use those same chorus chords in the bridge as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll check you guys in my next one. Bye.